In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to align elements here in Kittl. Now, once you have your element on the page and you're trying to center it, or you're trying to put it in the left, the right, or wherever on the page, we don't actually have to do this by dragging. What we can do is click onto the element, come over to here, and we have a few different options. If we click on the left, it's going to move it to the left. If we click in the center, it's going to put it to the center. We can move this up a little bit, then do center again, and it will center it like that. We can move it to the right, to the top, into the middle, down to the bottom, and we can also tidy up as well if we have multiple elements. But that's just how easy it is to align elements here in Kittl. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.